Very good job. You always do a good job. You're getting better every time, brother. I want to say something to everybody in Papua New Guinea. You know, I took time last week to read about Papua New Guinea. And this is for Joe and everybody in the car, Daniel and all the mothers, my sister from another, Mr. Susie Bakau, Veronica, and everybody in Papua New Guinea. Fred, what else? Who else do I see here? Yeah, Freddie. Anyway, what I want to say is Papua New Guinea is a very rich country. They have resources that are unbelievable. They have a huge resource of gold, cocoa, copper ore, crude oil, natural gas, gasoline, and yet the people are walking around poor. Listen, your government obviously isn't going to change this situation very quick. They might. It looks like it's better than it was 10 years ago, but it's going to take time. And the only way you can fix it is you become your wealth person. You take care of you and your family and other people. There's no reason by launch there can't be 10,000 millionaires in Papua New Guinea. And with 10,000 millionaires in Papua New Guinea, what can you do? You can take care of you. You can buy your land. You can get water. You don't have to work like, for forever and ever for nothing. It's not right. And I know the resources there are unbelievable. I was so surprised. But yet the money doesn't trickle down to the people that did all the work. Even big companies from around the world go in there and pillage the village, take what they can, the resources, and when they do pay, they pay the government, and the government can't find where the money is. There's something wrong. So it's time for you to take control of your situation. And I know that sounds easier said than done. I have everything I could want in the United States. But I'm telling you, Onpassive is the tool and the key to change your life. I'm not joking, to change your life. Don't waste time. Don't look for something else. You've been praying for this day. It's here. Take advantage of it. For 97 US dollars, your life will be changed. Everybody in Joe's car, everybody Veronica talks to, Iman, Fred, I'm telling you, when I hear the situation of your country and I see how hardworking you are, it's disgusting. It's absolutely disgusting that you have to live like that when you're living in a country that is full of riches. Absolutely a rich country. I didn't know how rich it was. There's gold coming from there every single day. Cocoa, copper ore. These minerals are expensive, and you're not getting part of it. Now, I'm not saying things will change overnight, but I can guarantee this. If you have control and you have the finances to add a well, add a road, add a satellite, all that can happen, not with one person, but what about all of you? How about 10,000 millionaires? You guys could change your country, because like it or not, money talks, and you should have the money. They don't know what to do with the money. You know what to do with the money. You deserve to have a better life. It's disgusting what I read, and it's not fair. And this is your key to get out of that mess. I pray to God that you take advantage of this and get in. I know the owner of this company. He is exactly what you heard that he is. He's an unbelievable human being. He has no greed at all in his body. Zero. He wants to help as many people as he can. And Papua New Guinea is the beacon for Onpassive. Everyone in Onpassive, 1 million people almost, everyone knows who Papua New Guinea is. And they know the hardship that you go through. You guys got to get on this thing and take it for the ride of a lifetime, because you deserve it. sorry I'm preaching, but I really care about that. I think, don't let this go by, please.